part of this work with table. So within this part, let's talk about cell object within the column or row. And we will try to demo how to modify our cell values, or normally it's called a text in the Word document, and how to merge the cell. Cell in Chinese code is 单元格, so it's also quite similar concept to Excel. Excel, every sheet, a worksheet has the columns and rows, and their intersection part is the cell. So we will learn some method like cell to create this object, and also use cell.text to point to the cell's value, and use the cell.merge method to try to merge the cell. So let's starting from the over 7, 10, 4. Cell object py. So within that is we use the cell, but have our underscore. So from docx import document, and then doc equal to document, and then we create our table. So doc add table. Let's create more. So 5 rows, 7 columns, and how you can retrieve the number 2 rows, number 0 columns cell. So it's very easy. Just treat that as our this matrix. You can use the table.cell and second row 0 column. So actually that's the first column. This second row. So let's print type cell. We got is that is the cell. So this second line. So if I put is dot 0, 0, that also a cell. So here is I have a question to this book, because when we say second line, because it's starting from the 0, so second line or second row should be the 1, 0. So that is the part is because we can leave this and you to start here. So we can give our text. Then let's save that to make our testing. So let me save this to 710.4.x. Let's first, save. I have our typo. Doc save. I should create these documents, and then let's back to here to open this. I should have our 5 row, 7 columns. So let's try to use 1, 0 to insert a text. If that's correct, I suppose that should be coming here. For authors 2, 0, they should coming from here. So let's make our testing. So cell 1, so that is mine, and cell 2, let's follow authors. So that is 2.0, 2, 0, and that is the cell 1. So what I will do is cell 1 text is mine. Cell 2 text is author. So let's run this to have our verify. So you can see here that I think that is maybe the typo error of the author in this book. Here is actually is the number 3 row, first column. So pay attention to the starting index of these columns and rows. So this part, I may let this author notice when have time. But actually, through this test, we already come to 7.10.5. So we have done this one, and what we are going to do is this only get one single the cell. So let me put this as 1, and let me copy that as 2. If we want to, like our Excel, if we want to get a range, that means a multiple column, multiple rows, so that we can use this traverse way. So let's clear this, and we don't need this save. So for row in table.rows. So we just have a table object, so we can use that. Then for cell in row dot cells, we can print type of cell. So let's have a look. So we have let's make that smaller. So 3, 2. So then we only have 6 line, I suppose. So 6 cell. So that will be same as if you want to use. So let's print traverse by rows, and then we will have print traverse by columns. So same as for column in table dot column. Ensure have s for cell in column dot cells. Then print type cell as well. So you will see when you traverse by rows, you get 6 cell. Traverse by column, you get 6 cell as well. So just the traverse by the different way, you get the different the index. So let's also type is the index. So say you remember that dot underscore index. So let me put this as here, well here. So let's run. Oh, so sorry, the index. Let me see what's the run. So rows index column index. So that's the cell. You don't have that index. So let me change this. So I will put that here. So it's the row and the column. So first you can see from here clearly is you have a 3 row for 2 columns. So first by row is I have a first row. This will be the row and the column 0, column 1, and this second row and third row. But if I by traverse by column, I go to the first column, then I have this row 0, row 1, row 2. Actually, it's the 1, 2, 3, but starting from 0, and you have the this different way. So put that in mind is if you use by rows or by columns, you will need to identify when your code is coming to which cell. So that is the this cells the adding. So let's go to this create 7 and 4 is modify cell.py. So actually we already done this. But let's type this in demo, so that you can also follow me to get familiar for this. It's no difference. It's just we have documents initialize, and the last is we save this to the 7.10.4 docx. So that's done. Then we create our table or add a table with 7.2, and then we make the cells identified from the table. So this again, you can see author want to get 2.0, but that's actually the row 3 and the column 1. And then cell.text equal to Python. So let's see. So print cell text. So we can print directly here. And also at the same time, we save that into this is the text, and we save this into 7.10.4 or 5. So from here, you can again to see there is not the second row. It is the third row. So that's just some the text in author's this book, and we can use. Let's see. So how this text, can we see the definition? No, cannot see that. But here, author also gave us the this source code. So here is a decorator. So we put this the method decorated as a property. So that's why you can use cell.text, not a method. So the return is join p text for p in self paragraph. So that's again is our kind of the paragraph setting. So set text in the cell, the actually is a set paragraphs run objects text. So that is the same thing is we are using the decorator to do the. You remember is add picture. It's also like is add our object into our project paragraph. Then within that paragraph the run. So that is the coding the method in this library. So we will skip this because this just try to show you is actually this is like our the paragraph and the runs or operating, and so if the cell has run and the run can add picture, then we add the picture. And we can add text. That will be the similar things. So we can add our picture into the text our table. So let's try this interesting things. But before that is let me copy our stamp. This stamp to this 10. So that is we don't need to use this. The absolute the path. So let's make our new 7.10.5 2 ty. So first is from docx import document, and we initial this with document. And we want to save this to 7.10.5.2. What we will do is we create a table. (3.2). You can use whatever the dimension, but that does not matter. So we make our cell as the let's use the 1.0 because that will be the middle rows. Paragraph is coming from the document, so we will have this cell dot. So every cell is actually a paragraphs. So paragraph 0. So let me save, then paragraph dot add run. So we just use the run is the default index and add picture. So now we will use our same folders one. So big data associate PNG. Then the paragraph, GRP, PARAGRAPH. So I don't think it's have an arrow. PH. So here have the arrow. So let's comment this first and run to create our documents. Let's open this documents. It should have a table. So here, what we will do is on the second row and first column, we should insert our big stamp. So I see the magic. You can see here, let's have this column rows. Oh, I should have those. So you can see here is actually insert in the row 1, 0. In the cell table, how to call that is the index is coming to cell 1, 0. So that is the second row, the first column. So this is the way is you can use this paragraph run and there's some hierarchy to handle the cell. So that is the link to what you have learned earlier. So let's go to the 7 and 6 quickly. It's merge cell.py. So merge is just to use the ready method. So what we will do is let's initial our documents. I hope it's through those many times try you are very familiar with these 3 in the lines. So put that into your mind. So after you write on this, just run, and then we can start to have our table equal to doc add table 5, 5. Now it's a 5 row, 5 column, and then we put a cell 1 is the table cell 1, 1. So 1, 1 actually is the second the row second column. Then it's a cell 2 equal to table cell 3, 3. Then what we will do is cell 2 dot merge cell 1. So 3, 3 and cell 1. So we transfer the 2 cells, but their position is not connected. Then all these the rectangle area will be merged. That is the similar unlike the concept of range in Excel. So let's see. So what we got. Oh, merge. I missed E. Let's see. So you already see this rectangle. So from the second row, second column to fourth row, fourth column, because it's a 3, 3. So this rectangle area is merged altogether. So that is the use the second C1 to C2. So let's just have a try. So if you want to use C1 merge C2. Let's see what happened. You can see it's the same. So that is the just pay attention. Actually, it's no matter which is the bigger, which is the small. So just you need to identify 2 cells within the table. Then this between these 2 cells, it will be merged. So that is the the part is we have talked about within this video about cells and modify content and merge cell. In next video is we will talk about styles, including the cell stack style. You may know is in Word. You can set our individual cell with a different color, different the borders styles, and also you can set a table level the styles. So let's talk about this .7.8 altogether. See you then.